Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough dinner rolls. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know that you end up with a lot of discard, and this recipe will use it so you don't have to discard it. So to make the dough, I'm choosing to use a stand mixer. If you don't have one, you can just mix and knead the dough by hand. So into the bowl, add in the warm water, yeast, you can use instant or active, and sugar. Now if you're using instant yeast, you can proceed with adding the ingredients. If you're using active yeast, let the mixture sit for 10 minutes to help activate it. Then add in the eggs, melted butter, and before adding in the sourdough discards, give it a good stir to mix any liquid that has separated from it and to get rid of any bubbles. Then add it into the bowl and add in the flour and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Then add in the salt and mix and knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. If your dough is really soft and sticky, you can add additional flour, adding just 2 tablespoons at a time. Then grease the bowl, place the dough inside, wrap it in plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it doubles in size. Once it has risen, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and press it to help redistribute the air, but don't knead it. Then you need to cut the dough into 15 or 20 pieces. To help make them the same size, I'm using a scale. Just weigh how much dough you have and divide that number by 15 or 20 depending on how many rolls you want to make. I'm choosing to make 15, and the amount for me is 57 grams or 2 ounces for each roll. But yours may be different depending on how much flour you've added to the dough. Once you've divided the dough, take each portion and pull and tuck the edges underneath the dough so you get a smooth top. And just do that for the rest of them. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and place each of the rolls into the pan. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let them rise in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Once the rolls have risen, gently brush some melted butter on top of each one. Then bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes until they're nice and golden on top. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and rub some butter on top of them. And they're best served while they're still hot. And that's how to make sourdough dinner rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.